This is a short video showing my train set. The blue train at the front and the black one at the front run on analog controllers. So I'll set them going first. They simply go round a circuit or two separate circuits continuously, with nothing very exciting happening unless I do something. The one at the back and at the top is running on a computer controlled Arduino, so I'll set it going. I'm not doing any further work, it accelerates of its own accord. In this case going backwards. Under the tunnel. And while the two analog trains are going, this one will find its own parking space in the goods station. And then the Arduino will change the points, which it does with a certain amount of noise, and then send control to the other locomotive up at the top. They may be small, but they have lights and all sorts of detail. It's quite astonishing. It's now stopped at the platform at the front here. It will wait 10 seconds before setting off to the right. This train will now do a couple of rounds, this goods train. And so on.